Good morning, Letterlanders. It's Mrs. Knippenberg here with another Letterland lesson for the week. Today's objective is I can build short E word families. Now today is the last word family lesson, and next time we meet we're going to try some new things together. So since today's our last day, we're going to try another game before we start something new, and this is a game called Quick Dash. So this is where I show you a Letterlander and you have to say who the Letterlander is really fast, okay? So you have to say it really, really fast. Then I'm going to flip the cards over, and the next time we play, you're going to have to say the sound super fast. Are you ready? So the first time we play, I'm going to show you a picture of the Letterlander. You have to shout out the name of the Letterlander. If you're not sure, that's okay. You can still play along. And then I'm going to flip them over, and the next time we play, you will tell me the sound. All right, are you guys ready? Here we go. Eddie Elephant. Talking Tess. Vicky Violet. Walter Walrus. Peter Puppy. Sammy Snake. Yellow Yo-Yo Man. Good job, that was pretty fast. All right, now we're gonna try them again. I'm gonna mix them up so they're not in the same order. This time I'm only going to show you the letter shape, and you have to tell me the sound as quickly as you can. I'll let you have a second to say it, then I'm gonna say it too, just in case. All right, here we go. W, E, T, M, S, Y. Great job! Great job with Quick Dash today. That gets your mouth all ready to sound out those important words. All right, today I said we are going to make some short E word families. So we're going to need somebody who makes the short E sound. Do you see who it is in the corner? It's Eddie Elephant. Listen to his name. Eddie Elephant. I hear the short E that says eh. All right, I'm going to read Eddie Elephant's poem, and as I read, I want you to pay attention and see if you see any words that have a pattern in them. That means I want you to look for the ending part of the word and see if you see any words that have the same ending part. All right, here we go. Hello, I'm Eddie Elephant. I very much like saying in certain words like net. I very much like saying in certain words like vet. I very much like saying in certain words like jet and splashy words like wet. Remember, Eddie Elephant likes to splash with his big ears. When elephants get water to drink, they like to splash themselves and get very wet. All right, let's look at the pattern in some of these words. Do you see any words that have the same ending? Ooh, I always want to look for a clue, those bold underlined words. I see one right here. Net, vet, jet, wet. Do all those words have something in common? They rhyme, you're right. And they all have an ending that's the same. Look at et, 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 and et. So, do you think you know what word family we're going to be building today? You're right, it's the et family. Here he is in his house, and I even brought him down here so that we can build them together today. So I want to make a word that rhymes with et. And I'm going to use the word that I told you in Eddie Elephant's story. Elephants, when they get hot, they like to find a nice pool of water and they splash it all over themselves so that they can be wet. All right, look at the bottom here. See if you can, I'm going to move my screen up just a little bit so you can see all the letters. Look down here. What sound should I put in front of et to make it say wet? Wet. I hear a w, so I'm going to put this one in front. Let's see if I'm right. I'm going to sound it out. Et. And I don't have to say et because I already know this says et. So I'm going to put it together right away. Et. Wet. Wet. Did you hear it first? My voice slowly blended the letters together and then I said it smooth so I didn't sound like a robot. Wet. Great job. Let's build another one. My family is thinking about getting a dog sometime for a pet. Let's write the word pet together. What sound would I need to make it say pet? Oh, I see it right here. P. Whoops, I did the wrong one. Sorry about that. I'll go down here and we'll put the p in front of et. Let's see. P, et, p, et, pet, pet. Great job. All right, let's try one more. Oh, I sometimes, when I was a little girl and I would get worried about something, my mom would always use this word, fret. She would say, don't fret about that. That means it's not worth worrying about. So let's try to build that word that my mom used to use, fret, fret. Ooh, I think I hear two sounds, fur, fur. And if I look down here, I see one of our green squares. It has two letters that make the sound I was saying. Fret, 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 fret. Don't fret. All right, let's go on now and see if we can write some of these all by ourselves. All right, if I go over here, I see the word real, and over here I see nonsense. And in the word family house, I see the word et. So I'm going to make some words that are real words that rhyme with et. And I'm going to write that wet word because I think that's a fun word to write. So I'm going to write wet first because that's a real word. Ooh. I'm going to write a W and then a E and a T because I know et is E and T. All right, I'm going to try a different one that I didn't build on the other page. Oh, you know what? I was playing outside yesterday with my daughter and we looked up at the sky and we heard a loud jet go over. And jet rhymes with wet. So I'm going to write jet. J, j. Ooh, it kind of sounds like a G, but it's not a G. What's another letter that says J? J. Good job. All right, so I'm going to write J, E, T to make the word jet. Now, I only made two real words, but I think kindergartners are pretty smart, and I bet you guys can make at least 5 words, maybe 10 words that rhyme with et that are real words. But let's try making some nonsense words. All right, I'm going to think of a funny word that rhymes with et that's not a real word. I'm going to write the word fet. Fet. Fet isn't a word. I don't even know what fet is, so that works for nonsense. I'm going to write F, E, T. Oops. There we go. Fet. I'm going to do another one. I'm going to do zlet. Zlet. This is silly. Z, l, e, t. I can even make nonsense words that have funny blends in them too. Zlet. That's not even a real word, but it sure sounds funny. All right, let's find out your turn now. So your turn, it says, in your notebook or on a piece of paper, write a list of et words, just like I did. You can make 2 lists, one with real words and one with nonsense words. You can even illustrate a picture of some of your words you build. You could make a book about et words. Or if you want to challenge yourself because you know you're a good word builder, you could make a list of words from another short E family like L. Let's see, you could do bell, well, shell, or you could do ek, like peck, deck. There's so many other words that you could make. So Letterlanders, have fun and go be word builders, and we'll see you next time for a brand new lesson. Have a great day.